Welcome back. Today it's me B2G. I'm back today with another beat. Today I'm going to be making Somalia trap beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Somalia trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be making Somalia trap beat today. It's an African beat. Make sure you subscribe. I'm back in my studio. Today. As you can see, our initial record. That's my studio. I'm back today. I'm going to be making Somalia trap beat. When making your beat, how to launch your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor on your FL Studio app, right click on your mouse, then click open. But for me, I have already launched my FL Studio, so I'm just going to click on my FL Studio app like this and open my FL Studio app. Now I'm going to explain. This is my channel rack. This is my channel rack here on my screen. Open my channel rack. This is my channel rack here. This is my mixer. This is my playlist. The next step is I'm going to click on add here, then click on my FL keys. Put my cursor here. I will left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 6. After that, I'll put my cursor on top of my FL keys, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. That's it. I'll start to program my Somalia trap beat now. First of all, I'll program the first 2 bars, then copy right to bars number 8. Let's go. As you can see, I've programmed my first 2 bars of my Somalia trap beat. Make sure you use these tools up here. Use the draw tool, the span, the paint in drum sequencer mode, the delete, the mute, the slice, the select, the zoom, and the mute. Make sure you master all these functions up here. But now I'm going to put my cursor on top of the select and just click, put it at the starting of 3, left click and hold it, drag it to the left to highlight it. Which another way is you can say press Ctrl and A to highlight it like this, then press Ctrl. The control button is a CTRL. I'll just press it, then press B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's it. Now I've reached my bar number 8, so I'm going to click on my channel rack, view channel rack, then this is my channel rack. I'll click on add. Now this blocking chord 3 times aux. I'll just click here, then put my cursor as it's showing up and down. I will left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 7, then put my cursor on top of it 3 times aux, right click on my mouse, and then click piano roll. Then I'll click on draw. After doing so, these are just the bass melodies for my Somalia trap beat. I'll click on my select, put my cursor at the center of 5, left click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B, the CTRL. Now it's okay. Now let's start programming our hi-hats now to our Somalia trap beat. This is the Somalia trap beat. Let's program the hi-hat now. On channel 3, I will right click, then click piano roll from 1 to 4. From 1 to 4. From 1 to 4. Now I'm programming. I'm at 3. I'm at bar 3, 4. That's it. Very simple for the Somalia trap beat. I'll click on my select at the start of 5. I'll just put it like this, left click and hold it, drag it to the left, just drag my mouse to the left. On my keyboard, I'll press Control, which is the CTRL button. Then I'll just press it, then press B again, right up to bars number 8. Then make sure you use these tools over here too. So when you are working with a channel rack, we have piano roll, just click here on view channel rack to open it again. The next step on channel 4 is my snare. I'll right click on my mouse and then click piano roll to open my piano roll. Then I'll click on this draw on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another bounce. That's it. View channel rack. That's okay. Then this is our kick. I will left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1. Right click on my mouse and then click piano roll. On 1. On number 2, I'm going to put 2 kick. On number 3, 1 kick. On number 4, 3 kick. On number 5, 2 kick. On number 6, 1 kick. Number 7, 3 kick. On number 8, that's it. View channel rack. I'll click on channel 1, click on effect target, turn the boss knob right up. That's okay. 6 and 7, I'm going to turn down the 6, turn down the 7. On 6, I'll click on slot 1, then add a Fruity Soft Clipper. I'll click on slot 2, add a Fruity Parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 3, add a Fruity Limiter. I'll click on slot 4, add a Frequency Splitter. This is another plugin today. Now 7, I'll click on slot 1, add a Fruity Parametric EQ2. Slot 2, I'm going to add a Fruity Soft Clipper. I'll click on slot 3, I'm going to add a Fruity Limiter. That's okay. On slot 3, I'll turn it up. Then click on slot 1, add the Sound Goodnizer. Then on slot 4, which is a snare, I'll click on slot 1. Make sure you use tools over here. This is where you mix up beats. When you click, when you have written slot 1, just click here. Then just pick your plugin, which I'm just going to pick this Fruity Parametric EQ2. Then bring it down a little bit to -0. It's not even -0, it's -6. That's okay. Now I'll click here, I'll click everything, I'll click on all these buttons, which is a sub button. I'm just clicking right to the end. Then here, reverse polarities, I'm just clicking. I'll click right to the end, right to the end. Then I'll turn the boss knob right up. That's okay. Now view playlist, I'll click here, part 1, I'll right click, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'll click on this draw. Make sure you always use these tools up here before clicking on your kick, then drop into your playlist. Click on your hi-hat, then click into your playlist, click on your snare, then click into your playlist, click on your FL keys, click into your playlist, click on your last melody. I'll click on my last melody, click into your playlist. Now I'll click on this select, put my cursor at the start of 9, left click and hold it, drag it to the left, press Ctrl and B several times. Then I will left click, I will drag it to the left. I'll just put my cursor like this as pointing right and left. I'll left click and hold it, drag it in front to the right like this to see the clear view. After that, I'll click on this draw, then put it on top of the kick, right click to remove the kick, put it on top of the hi-hat, right click my mouse to remove the hi-hat, put it on top of the snare, right click to remove the snare. After that, I'll click on this select, put my cursor at the ending of 39 like this, left click and hold my mouse, drag it to the left, then press Ctrl, which is the CTRL button. I'll press it, then press B to extend it. After that, I'll put my cursor like this. Here, as my cursor is pointing at the screen, I will left click and hold it, drag it to the left, then put it right in front. As the cursor is showing the right and left, I will left click and hold it again, drag it to the right to see the clear view. After that, I will click on my draw tool here, then click back on my FL keys, then click here, which is my outro. I'll click back on this 3 times, Push it 3 times, OSC, then click, just align it. This is my outro. After that, I'll put my cursor on top of my hi-hat, right click to remove the hi-hat. I'll put it again on top of my snare like this, right click to remove the snare. Then I'll click now on my mixer, which this is my mixer now. On channel 3, I will right click my mouse, then click create automation clip. The function is to control the volume automatically without you controlling the volume. On channel 4, I'll put my cursor like this, right click, then click here, create automation clip. That's okay. Now make sure you use these tools up here. Look at the way my mouse is pointing at the screen. I'll click on my view playlist like this. Now I'll put my cursor here where the first of all written the part 1. I'll just left click and hold it, turn it down a little bit. After that, I'll click on my snare, then click here on the semi bar at the ending of my intro. Then as my arrow is showing left and right, I will left click and hold it to reduce the beat to the semi 1 bar. Then put a little hi-hat here at the starting of my outro. I'll just put a little hi-hat here at the semi 1 bar here. Now I've already finished to make the Somalia trap beat. See you tomorrow. Let's listen to the Somalia trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. First of all, we were working our channel rack. This is our channel rack here. Now we are going to play the beat of our playlist here. If you don't switch it to song mode, you won't hear the beat here. So I'll just switch to song mode. That's it. Let's play it. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make the Somalia trap beat. See you tomorrow and goodbye.